Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss chapter number 9, that is some applications of trigonometry. That means to find the height and distance. So let's start with question number 1. Here two towers of height h1 and h2 subtend an angle of 60 degree and 30 degree respectively at the midpoints of the line joining their feet. Find h1 ratio h2. So two towers are there. So first important thing is to draw the diagram. So first we have to draw the diagram. So this is our horizontal, or we can say ground level. Two towers of height h1 and h2 subtend angle of 60 degree and 30 degree. So two towers are there. Suppose this is tower AB. Tower AB and this is tower CD. Height of tower AB is h1 and CD is h2. These two towers of height h1 and h2 subtend angle of 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Now subtend angle, this word subtend will be used in almost each and every sums. So the meaning of this subtend is to forming angle. So two towers h1 and h2 are forming angle of 60 degree and 30 degree respectively, where at the midpoint of line segment joining the feet. So for tower AB the feet of tower is A, for tower CD feet of tower is D. So this is line segment AD joining the feet of these two tower and its midpoint is E. So this is the point at which two towers with height h1 and h2 subtend the angle. So angle subtended by this tower h1 is 60 degree and angle subtended by this tower with h2 is 30 degree. Done. Now question arise, सर आपको कैसे पता चला कि ये h1 बड़ा है और h1 छोटा है? So from this given 60 degree and 30 degree. As we increase the height, the angle subtended by this tower at the center will be increased. For the lower height, angle subtended by this tower at the midpoint will be lower. तो ये एंगल बड़ा है तो ये टावर की हाइट ये टावर से बड़ी होगी. क्लियर? तो डायग्राम में आपको ये भी थोड़ा कंक्लूजन और यू कैसे थोड़ा देखना है. Done. So this is given data. Here you have to write the description of figure. So AB, what is AB? AB is the tower whose height is h1. CD is another tower. CD is another tower whose height is h2, and this is line segment AD joining the feet of the two towers. So whose length is not given. So let's assume that the length is x and E is the midpoint of AD. So length of this A is x by 2 and D is also x by 2. So again we can write AE equal to ED equal to x by 2. Done. And the question, you have to find the ratio of h1 and h2. So this is given. Now let's start with the solution. So here you can find two right angle triangles. This is first right angle triangle ABE and this one is second right angle triangle which is EDC. So let's start with the first right angle triangle ABE. So in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, angle A is 90 degree. Angle is given. So we will apply definition of tan 60. So here tan 60 degree is tan 60 degree. Opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is AB and adjacent side for the 60 is AE. So it's a AB upon AE. AB upon AE. AB upon AE. Done. So here tan 60. For tan 60 is root 3. AB is the tower whose height is h1. So H1 upon AE. AE is x by 2. AE is x by 2. So this one is x by 2. So from this result we can write the value of this H1. So what is our H1? H1 is 2 root 3 upon x. 2 root 3 divided by x. Say this one as a result number 1. H1 is the result number 1. We have to find the ratio of H1 and H2. So now to find the H2, we will use triangle EDC. So in triangle EDC, tan 30 degree, opposite side by adjacent side, CD upon ED. CD upon ED. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 equal to CD. CD is H2. CD is H2 upon ED. ED is x by 2. This one is x by 2. So from this result we can write the value of H2. So what is H2? Take this x by 2 in the numerator. So it's a x by 2 into root 3. It's a x upon 2 root 3. Say this one as a result 2. So now we have to find the ratio of H1 and H2. So our third step, H1 upon H2 is, H1 is 2 root 3 upon x upon H2 is x upon 2 root 3. So this is equal to, है ना, यहाँ पर देखो एक मिस्टेक की है, या क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो क्या होगा, रूट 3x बाई 2, रूट 3x बाई 2. So it's a root 3x. This will be H1 upon H2. So it's a root 3x by 2 upon H2, which is x upon 2 root 3. So this will be root 3x upon 2 into x into 2 root 3. X cut, 2 cut. So therefore it's a H1 upon H2 equal to root 3 into root 3, 3 upon 1. So ratio H1 ratio H2 equal to 3 ratio 1 is the answer. Clear, students? Pause the video and note it down. First read the question. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower. What is angle of elevation? The angle of elevation is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal line when object under the observation is above the ground level. And two types of angles are there. Angle of elevation, that means when we are looking in upward direction from the horizontal line. So angle of elevation will be formed, and another is, second angle is angle of depression when we are looking below from the horizontal line, that is line of sight, and if we are looking below from the horizontal line, so it will form angle of depression. So here angle of elevation is there. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point A on the ground. So first you have to draw the ground line. Point on a ground, and you have to observe the top of the tower. So one tower is there. So this, suppose CD is the tower. Point A on a ground. Suppose this is point A. Point A on a ground. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the point A on the ground is 30 degree. So here from this point A we are observing the top of the tower. So this one is 30 degree. This is angle of elevation. So angle of elevation from the point A on the ground. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Now on moving a distance of 20 meter towards the feet of the tower. This is the feet of the tower, and now we have to move towards this feet of the tower by 20 meter. suppose we are getting one point B and we are moving 20 meters towards the feet of the tower, and again observing, and then the angle of elevation is increases to 60 degree. Our initial position is point A and we are observing the top of the tower. At that time angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now we are moving towards the feet of the tower by 20 meter and we are getting one point B, and again we are observing the top of the tower. So it will form the angle of elevation by 60 degree. So as we move towards the tower, our angle of elevation will be increases, है ना. जैसे जैसे नज़दीक जाएंगे हमारा एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है वो डिक्रीज होता इंक्रीज होता जाएगा, और जैसे जैसे टावर से दूर जाएंगे तो हमारा एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन वो डिक्रीज होता जाएगा. So as we move towards the tower, our angle of elevation will be increase. So angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as we move towards by 20 meters. Done. So find the height of the tower. So you have to find the height of this tower and distance of tower from the point A. So distance of this point D from A, that you have to find. This distance AB is 20 meter. So let's assume this distance is x meter. So distance of this feet of the tower from the point A is AD, which is sum of AB and BD. Clear? So this is our diagram. So write down description of this diagram. So here AD is the tower and whose height is h, and also we have assumed the length BD equal to x meter, and also we are given AB equal to 20 meter, and question is find the distance of feet of the tower from the point A, that we also have to find the AD. Done. So for this type of question you have to find two right angle triangles. So two right angle triangles are triangle BCD and triangle ACD, and apply trigonometric ratio. So now first इन ट्राइंगल, पहले कौन सा ट्राइंगल होगा? इन ट्राइंगल BDC, और यू कैन से BCD, है ना. इन ट्राइंगल BCD, इन ट्राइंगल BCD apply tan 60 equal to opposite side by adjacent side h by x, h upon x. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to h upon x, and therefore we can write our h as a root 3x. Say this one as a result number 1. Now second right angle triangle is, this one is ACD. So in triangle ACD, tan 30 degree is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is CD and adjacent side is AD. AD is AB plus BD, so it's a 20 plus x, and our CD is height of the tower h. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, which is equal to h upon 20 plus x. Say this one is result number 2. Now using this result 1 and 2, we have to find the value of this x. So put value of 1 in 2. So here we are replacing our h with this root 3x. So therefore we are getting 1 upon root 3 equal to h को एलिमिनेट कर दिया, पूरा इक्वेशन x के फॉर्म में आ गया. तो इसको इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? x मिलेगा, है ना. यहाँ पर कन्फ्यूजन रहता है स्टूडेंट्स को कि h को एलिमिनेट करें या फिर x को एलिमिनेट करें. तो आप किसी एक को एलिमिनेट करो, है ना. h को रिप्लेस किया x से तो पूरा इक्वेशन x के फॉर्म में आ गया. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x, देन पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इन h, तो आपको दोनों वैल्यू मिलेगी. या फिर आप x को रिप्लेस करो h से, पूरा इक्वेशन h के फॉर्म में लाओ and then put the value of h in equation 1, तो आपको x मिलेगा. So now cross multiplication, this will be 20 plus x equal to root 3 into root 3x. So it's a 3x. Taking this x on the right hand side. So 20 equal to 3x minus x. So it's a 20 equal to 2x. So we're getting x equal to 10 meter. X equal to 10 meter. What is x? It's a BD. So now our length BD is 10 meter. So what is AD? So AD is AB plus BD. AB plus BD. AB is 20. BD is 10. So AD is 30 meter. Distance of feet of the tower. Distance of feet of the tower from the point A is 30 meter. And you have to find the height of the tower. So what is the height of the tower? Height of the tower h is root 3 into x, and our x is 10. This is 10 and equal to, here we are given, use root 3 equal to 1.732. So it's a value of root 3 1.732 into 10. So height of the tower h is 17.32 meter. So these are the two answers of our question. Distance of this feet of the tower from the point A is 30 meter. The height of the tower is 17.32 meter. You have to write the answer at the bottom of your solution. Clear, students? Pause the video and note it down. Okay, students, now question number 3. A pole 5 meter high. A pole 5 meter high is fixed on the top of the tower. Pole is fixed on the top of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from the point A on a ground. That means we are observing the top of the pole from a point on a ground. So that angle of elevation is 60 degree. And angle of depression of the point A, that is on the ground, from the top of the tower is 45 degree. So find the height of the tower. So you have to find the height of the tower. So here first you have to draw the diagram. So what is the diagram? So ground level is there, one tower is there, tower, and a pole of 5 meter high is fixed on the tower. So on the tower one pole is fixed. So suppose this one is AB. AB is our tower, and on this tower one pole is fixed. So AC is one pole, and the height of that pole is 5 meter. Done? इसको हम AB नहीं लिख सकते ना, AB को यहाँ पर फिक्स करके दिया है, तो अभी हम नोटेशन चेंज कर देते हैं. So let's pick Q. Pick Q is the tower. PQ is the tower and QR is the pole. So a pole of 5 meter high is fixed on the top of the tower. ये tower है, PQ is the tower and P is the feet of tower and Q is the top of the tower. है ना, ये सब words पर आपको focus करना है. So here description, PQ is our tower. PQ is our tower. QR is our pole and the height of pole is 5 meter is given. Now continue. A pole of 5 meter high is fixed on the top of the tower. The angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means horizontal line and our line of sight is making the angle in upward direction. तो आपको ऊपर देखना है, that means नीचे से ऊपर देखना है. So the angle of elevation of the top of the pole. So what is the observation? Observation point is our R. So you have to observe this R from the point A on a ground. This is point A on a ground. So you have to observe this top of the pole from this point A on a ground. So we are getting one angle of elevation. तो यहाँ से इसको join करें. So that angle of elevation is 60 degree. This angle of elevation is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from the point A on the ground is 60 degree. And angle of depression, अभी नीचे देखना है. So angle of depression of a point A. Now ये हमारा ऑब्जर्वर पॉइंट था, यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्वर खड़ा था. So point under the observation is R. Now for second case, this is our point of observation, right? Our observation stand on the top of the pole. अभी यहाँ से नीचे देखना है. So this is our horizontal line. Now for angle of depression, this will be our horizontal line. For angle of elevation, this will be our reference line. So now angle of depression for this point A from the top of the tower is 45 degree. यहाँ से अभी नीचे देखना है. So angle of depression of this point A is 45 degree. तो ये यहाँ पर फॉर्म होगा angle of depression 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. So you have to find the height of this tower H. So let's assume height of the tower is H and height of the pole is 5 meter, and the distance of this point from the feet of the tower is x meter. This one is x meter. So let AP equal to x meter. This is our assumption. You have to find the height of the tower. That is our question. So here we can say that two right angle triangles are formed. First right angle triangle is triangle APQ and second right angle triangle is APR. And here this is angle of depression. So here we can say that this angle of depression 45 degree. So we can take this angle as a 45 degree because these two lines are parallel lines. This one is transversal. So these two angles are alternate interior angles. So for this angle of depression 45 degree, we can take this angle QAP as a 45 degree. Done. These are the two lines and this one is transversal. So two right angle triangles are there, two angles are there, and we have to find the height of this tower. So now in triangle, first triangle, that is in triangle APQ, in triangle APQ, tan 45 is opposite side by adjacent side, PQ upon AP. PQ upon AP. ये सब नहीं लिखना है तो डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखो. It's a opposite side by adjacent side, H upon X. It's a H upon X. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 equal to H upon X. So first result is H and X both are equal. है ना. टावर की जितनी हाइट है उतनी डिस्टेंस पर हमारा पॉइंट ए है. रिजल्ट 1. नाउ कंसीडर सेकंड ट्राइंगल, है ना. आपको क्वेश्चन में से किसी भी तरह से आपको दो ट्राइंगल निकालना है. सो फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल इज ट्राइंगल APQ एंड सेकंड ट्राइंगल इज ट्राइंगल APR, है ना. APR, ट्राइंगल APR. सो हियर एंगल 60 इज देयर. So tan 60 equal to opposite side, it's a PR upon AP. PR upon AP. PR, it's a 5 plus H. Tan 60 is root 3. PR 5 plus H upon AP. AP is X. AP is X. क्वेश्चन क्या है, आपको h निकालना है तो x एलिमिनेट करना पड़ेगा. सो वी कैन रिप्लेस दिस x विथ h. सो दिस वन इज रिजल्ट 2. सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ रिजल्ट 1 इन रिजल्ट 2. है ना. आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है, आप या आपको h रिप्लेस करो या फिर x रिप्लेस करो. तो क्या रिप्लेस करें, तो आपको क्वेश्चन देखना है कि क्या फाइंड करना है. फाइंड द हाइट h फाइंड करना है, और x तो हमने खुद से अजम्पशन से लिया हुआ है तो वो तो हमें फाइंड नहीं करना है. तो x को रिप्लेस कर दो h से. इट्स 5 प्लस h अपॉन h. अगर x निकालना हो तो इसका आंसर आ जाए तो h मिलेगा. पुट दैट वैल्यू ऑफ h हियर, सो विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो दिस वन इज क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई रूट 3h इक्वल टू 5 प्लस h. टेक दिस h ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो इट विल बी root 3h minus h equal to 5. Take h common, so it's a root 3 minus 1 equal to 5. So h equal to 5 upon root 3 minus 1, or root 3 is 1.73. 1.73 minus 1. So h is 5 upon 1.73 is 0.73. So h equal to 5 into 100 upon 73. So h equal to 500 by 73 meter is the answer. Fraction में आंसर लाना हो तो डिवीजन करो, otherwise this is our answer. The height of the tower is 500 upon 73 meter. Done? Pause the video and note it down. Now question number 4. A man standing on a deck of a ship. Man standing on a deck of a ship which is 10 meter above the water level. Now water level is our reference level. So this one is our water level. This is our reference level. This is our water level. So man standing on a deck of a ship which is 10 meter above the water level. So this is ship and this one is deck of the ship which is above the 10 meter from the water level. Observes the angle of elevation. So from here the angle of elevation is formed, that means in the upward direction, and observe the top of the hill as 60 degree. So here one hill is there, and from the top of this deck of the ship observing the hill and forming the angle of elevation. So angle of elevation is 60 degree. So this one is 60 degree. So this is ship and this one is hill. Say this one is AB and hill is CD. So AB is deck of ship and the deck of ship. Deck of ship whose height is 10 meter. The deck of ship is at the height of 10 meter and hill CD is the hill and whose height is not given. So let's assume it's a H, or height of ship is AB, so which is 10 meter. So this height C is also 10 meter. So we have to assume this height, suppose this one is H, DE is equal to H. So let DE equal to H, and the distance between hill and this ship is X meter. This one is X meter. So BC is X meter. Now continue with the question. Observe the angle of elevation of the top of the hill as 60 degree and angle of depression from this. Observe the height of top of the hill as well as the angle of depression of the base of the hill. Observing the base of the hill, so it will form angle of depression. So angle of depression with this horizontal line is 30 degree. So angle of depression is 30 degree. So find the distance of the hill from the ship. So this is the distance of the hill from the ship. X that you have to find, and you have to find the height of the hill. So after finding H, we will get DC, which is height of the hill. Now you have to find the height of the hill. That is our question. Done. So again, this is two parallel lines and it's a transversal. So this angle will be of 30 degree. So two right angle triangles are there. One right angle triangle is AED and another right angle triangle is triangle ABC. So let's start with, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side 10 upon adjacent side x, 10 upon x. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, which is equal to 10 upon x, and therefore x equal to 10 root 3. X equal to 10 root 3 meter. What is x? X is the distance between hill and a ship. That is your first answer. Done. Now consider the triangle. Consider the triangle, this one, AED. In triangle AED, in triangle AED. Apply definition of tan. Tan 60. So tan 60 is opposite side by adjacent side, h upon x. Tan 60 is root 3 h upon x. X we will find, that is 10 root 3. So from this we are getting h. H is 10 root 3 into root 3. So h is root 3 into root 3, 3. 10 3 is a 30 meter. So h is 30 meter. So what is the height? Height is DC. So therefore our answer, height of the hill is DE plus EC. DE plus EC. DE over H, and our H is 30 meter plus EC. EC is equal to height of the deck of the ship, which is 10 meter. So this is 10 meter. So height of the hill is 40 meter is the answer. So you have to write the two statements at the bottom of the solution. First statement, the distance between ship and hill is 10 root 3 meter and height of the hill is 40 meter. Here you can also replace the value of this root 3 as a 1.73. Done? Otherwise it will be okay. So pause the video and note it down. Students, now at the some time of the day, the length of shadow of tower is equal to its height. Find the sun's altitude at the time. So what we are given, the length of the shadow of the tower. So this is one ground level, here one tower is there, and suppose sun is there. So here the shadow of the tower will be like this. So this is height of the tower, and the height of the tower is equal to shadow of the tower. So length of this shadow is nothing but the height of the tower. So here AB is tower, BC is length of shadow. So AB is tower whose height is h, and BC is length of shadow